lot bigger.
All right, so we at Raffy's house right now. He's getting the wide body kit on the GS RCF. Not F Sport, like I said last time, but so he's gonna rebuild his wheels right now. This is his lips that he's about to. He's already had some of this taken apart. You're using this one, right?
Yeah.
All right. That's the face. We're about to do this one right here.
From 10 to a 12.
So this is coming off?
No, that one, this is the
going
one
on.
that came off originally. This is the one that's going in.
That's going to be the one going in.
These are the tires. So,
alright. Let's see how he does.
pretty much. I mean, it's a pretty simple step. Because you gotta pretty much align them.
Those two on top.
And then you pretty much marry the wheel.
Line with the hole for the.
I normally like putting at least one bolt at a time, and then I'll torque them all at the end. Now you can pretty much go to town, start putting them all in. Main thing you gotta do is make sure this seal is clean whenever you go to put them in. So whenever you put the silicone in and tie them all down, there's no grease or anything. I normally like using a little bit of alcohol before I put it all together.
Yeah.
And normally I try to use some anything like a gasket maker.
Right.
That normally will seal, resist temperature. Time they get started. The whole thing is just used this way. Just a deuce.
You took your stocks up there for them? To pick up your tires and wheels off of it? You took your stocks?
Yeah. That's it. Add 2 in. This one's still tight. Still got mine going. But it's looking sweet. Looking so sweet. I normally do it in my kitchen table, but I bought the wife a new one. I don't want her to kill me. I normally like starting over here.
Right, so you got all the bolts. Which is they're Allen heads, or they? What? How do you call these bolts?
No, they're stars.
They're star torque heads. Yeah. Well, they're all over.
There's normally snug them, and then I'll go in the back and fucking do the same again. Just to get 100%.
there tight. Got a torque specs.
Let's clean the fucking. Just use alcohol. And that motherfucker smells good too.
Mm-hmm.
Put a fat bead. Don't have to worry about fucking being picky with this bitch. Dog's going. You fucking douchebag. Definitely need to find my cooking then, so I can finish this damn thing. Yeah, I need to find the gun. Well, pretty much all you gotta do is just make a fat bead and just with your finger, pretty much make sure you supply just an even coat all the way through.
There's no holes in it.
Yeah. When this gasket maker dries, nothing will let it leak. Like I said, a lot of people like using silicone. This is the third time I do them, and I always use the same thing. All this works perfect. All this makes a perfect seal. That's pretty much about it. All it takes is a seal. You just let it dry for 48 hours and back to party.